Hi guys, and welcome back to my vlog. Charot. We're just gonna chill here. And I'm inside because it's kind of... The weather here is like the weather in the Philippines. It rained but it's not cold. So this is the side, my favorite side here. Oh, where the snacks are. And that's my side right here. Is this my first time? Yes, it is my first time to sleep in a camper. Actually, I consider this as like a luxury tent. Luxurious tent. And actually nice. Yeah, this is a brand new one. Very, very brand new. Yeah. I told Tessa just to sell the house and get a camper, and we're just gonna travel all around the states. Why not? I work from home, so as long as I have a good internet connection, I'm all good. But anyway, this is my situation right now. I'm just chilling, charging my phone, and I can use my Insta360 Go Ultra. And by the way, I'll show you guys. Did not expect that in this trip I'll get this one. I got a new, it's actually new but it's barely used SLR cam. Wow! It's just like a, very normal cam. SLR professional cam. I'm actually waiting for the battery to be fully charged. But I'm so excited to use this one. I actually cried. I teared up when I received it. They just gave me this one. Like, what? They said that you can have it. The fuck? The fuck? I was so close of buying my own. Then, of course, this is expensive. It is something that I need to invest in. But, it's not that important. But, dang. I'm so happy. I wanted to have my own SLR cam. I'm so happy about this shit. Even though it's secondhand. I don't care. Shit. Freebie is a freebie. Would say no. And, see? Annual shit and... Yeah, I'm so happy. I can't wait. Actually, it's taking a while for the battery to be fully charged, and I tried to plug it in a little bit last night, and it's not fully charged, still blinking. And then I tried to put it in. It won't turn on, so hopefully if we'll fully charge, I can use it already. Yeah, that's all. Thank you guys for lurking. For lurking. Welcome in. Anyway, talk to you guys later. Morning, guys. So for today is... Date ngayon. I forgot the date. What is the date today? May 8th. Friday. And I already took a shower, as you can see. I already took a shower. Get my coffee. Add my coffee. Can't live without it. So I slept there. Actually, there's like a bed there on the top and then there. But Tessa's brother sleep down there, and then that's like a storage right there. And this is Tessa. She's coming in. Say hi. She's shy. Where are we going?
I don't know.
That's the answer. You just go with the flow.
We're with men, so.
Yeah, with men. If it's only just me and Tessa, we're already out and about.
Literally, we'd be eating, we'd be done. We would be checking places out. Probably walking on the beach or something. Even though we're not gonna get in, we still check it out.
So we're just go with the flow. Basically,
Until we don't.
until we don't.
I love this sound.
That one that you got.
I'm getting bold.
People that right over there.
Good morning.
Morning.
What is your plan today?
The only thing I know is for a fact is we're going to Chili's.
Yeah.
But that's later.
Okay.
That's like until not until 3 or something.
Mm-hmm.
Or later.
There you go. That's our agenda for
But I don't know,
today.
we might be able to go do something now that it's not gonna rain all day.
Can we go to the boat then? Do the boating or no?
We can ask.
Guys, so it's kind of gloomy here, as you can see. Medyo dark. The sky is very, very dark, like my soul. Charot. Anyway, we're still thinking of what to do today, but yeah, so far we don't have any plans yet, so just chilling.
That one might go.
All the seashells on the tree.
Oh yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
90% of the people on the boat wait.
That's the size.
Yeah, that's the size right there. It used to be big. I bought stuff there to get under the tree. Shaded a little bit to get food.
That guy.
Yeah.